So tell me if you've been in this scenario before. You edit your photo, you love it, then you export it on your phone and you realize that looks absolutely garbage. So then you think there must be something wrong with my phone, or there must be something wrong with the program that you use to export the photo from the PC to your phone. Well, if you still didn't figure out why, that's why I'm here. See, not all monitors that you edit your photos with are actually great for color grading and editing your photos. That is simply because not all monitors are designed for that. So if you actually looking for a monitor that is designed for editing your photos, videos, color grading and all the kind of stuff that requires colors, then you're looking for a monitor that is as close as possible to 100% sRGB. Now, I'm not an expert in this field because I did just a little tiny research before I could figure out that my old monitor that I was using, which I grabbed and chucked it away. No, I'm joking, I just sold it because I needed money, and with those money I could just get the new one. The monitor wasn't good enough for color grading. You can actually find a color calibration tool that you can just attach to your monitor, and it will do all the work for you, calibrating your monitor. But in my case, the monitor was definitely not for color grading. So finally, after I researched on the internet, I found a monitor that is around £250, but it's a great monitor for color grading and editing your photos. And I'm talking about the ViewSonic that you see behind me. That is Super Mario on the background. I know, I like it. I love Super Mario. I'm Italian, why not? But that is not the point. The point is that since I got this new monitor, my photos literally completely changed. And that is just because the way I saw it on the monitor, it just looks on the phone, because it's very accurate with this color, with the contrast, with the brightness, and I did not have to do anything at all. Just plug it in and edit my photos. So yeah, I repeat myself, if you're looking for editing your photos and making color grading on your videos, definitely look for a good monitor. Start from there, because it's really important the way it looks on the monitor before you export it on the phone, unless you use Lightroom to edit your photos on the phone. There is nothing wrong with that, but obviously you're a lot more flexible with the PC. Believe me, I did that mistake and now I'm happy I got this monitor. And if you think that this video has been helpful, then you should like and subscribe to this channel, because there are a lot more videos coming on more frequently now, and I am just one subscriber away from 100, so you will make my dream come true already. This little milestone is just the beginning. Bye. And this video is not sponsored by ViewSonic.